test of the emergency alert system originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Oh, monthly test. Okay.
Yeah, the monthly test.
I'm thinking weekly test.
No.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency.
Right, Blue Ridge is going to relay any minute now.
A test.
Or July 31st, 570-221-4900. 4900.
Let me see if WVIA is relaying.
Prepare your taste buds. Kit Kat Duo.
I know it!
Not yet.
Kit Kat Duo's mocha.
Alright.
Have a break.
There it is. EAS channels related. There we go.
Thanks to Kevin and Melissa. But don't forget, whoever has more points at the end of this round will have a shot at $10,000.
Wait for it.
Okay, Karen and Leah, you're going to be building your own answer boards in this round. So, celebs, please put on your headphones and go where you go. Okay. Okay. While
Wait
they're
for it.
listening, you guys are going to be working, building the boards. Here are the first three answers you'll be choosing from. The green answers are worth 250 points. The yellow ones are worth 500. And the red answers are worth 1,000 points. In this round, your teammates don't have to get all five, but if they do, you earn an additional 1,000 points. But remember, you can only use 20 clue words. This is really about strategy. Karen, right now you're trailing, so you get to pick first. The incredible, platform, catnap.
I'd like catnap.
Okay, Leah.
I'm gonna go with platform.
You got it, Nick.
There we go.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
I'll take flow.
Alright. Our monthly test is done, and there's something I want to address for the viewers. I really do apologize for not uploading any EAS catches in a while. I kind of got lazy and stuff, but now that I'm got my courage to do it back, feel like I'm hopefully going to do this more from now on. Well, thanks for watching.